Meaning of faker.
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 Faker. The term faker refers to someone who pretends to be someone or something they are not, often in order to deceive others or gain an unfair advantage. This could refer to a person who misrepresents their identity, qualifications, or achievements in order to attain a position, opportunities, or status that they do not deserve. It could also refer to someone who falsely claims to possess certain skills, knowledge, or experience in order to trick or manipulate others. Overall, a faker is someone who engages in fraudulent behavior for personal gain or benefit.